it sounds A. And it is the first letter of alphabet. Let's go in the garden with letter A. See, there is an apple, an ant, and an aeroplane. We are going to have fun. We are going to sing a poem. Let's sing with me. Ant, apple, aeroplane above the maple. Ant, apple, aeroplane above the maple. Sing with me again. Ant, apple, aeroplane above the maple. Did you notice? The initial sound of apple, ant, and aeroplane is A. Okay, dear children, keep singing this poem with your teacher